Hello friends, welcome to this CNC training class. Friends, today I would like to explain you what is CNC program and how many types of programs are there in CNC programming. Okay, so let me discuss about what is CNC program. See here, you are observing a page. See, this page I have taken from the CNC program or from CNC machine. See, this is the CNC program. This program is there or prepared for a particular operation, for doing a particular operation. So, what is CNC program? See, CNC program is the group of instructions. See here, this is the group of instructions. Then what is instruction? See, this is one instruction. This instruction is also called as a word in single CNC language. What is word? That word consists of a address and data. Address and data. Address means any alphabet. That means CNC alphabet and a number. Alphabet and number. This alphabet and number group is called as one word. One word will become an instruction. So that instruction will instruct our machine, that is hardware, that is for rotation of job, for movement of the cutting tool, or switch on the coolant, switch off the coolant motor, or indexing, or movement of any hardware or physical component of the machine. We have these instructions. This instructions group is called as the CNC program. What is group of instructions? See, in any group of CNC programs, only alphabets, that is A, B, C, D, and the numbers 1, 2, 3, and then plus or minus are these symbols. These symbols, alphabets and numbers group is called as CNC program. That CNC program will be prepared according to standard format. We should not prepare the CNC program as our wish. We have to prepare the program according to the standard formats that too given by any CNC machine manufacturer for different controls. See friends, in industry we are seeing many types of controllers are there, See, as you are observing here in my class, Phonak control is there, and Cinemeric is also there, Idanen is there, Dialog basis is there. In any so many controllers are there. For every controller, there is a standard format. According to that format, we have to prepare these instructions. The program what you are seeing is, I prepared this for operating the Fanuc CNC controller, CNC turning center. See, this is the CNC program, and this is also the CNC program I prepared for finishing a workpiece. That to see here, one workpiece is there. For finishing that workpiece, I have written. See, this is the workpiece. One plain die is there, 40 mm. That this die is to be turned for 135 mm length, and radius at 3 places, R5, R5, R5. This is the identical surface we have to finish. See, this is for finishing this component, I have written this CNC program. See, this is the group of instructions written according to the standard format for finishing a workpiece. That to this workpiece. See, what is CNC program then? CNC program is the group of instructions. This is the group of instructions prepared to finish a workpiece. Prepared to finish a workpiece means, if we want to finish this workpiece, so we have to perform n number of operations. See here, for finishing this operation, one center drilling operation is also there here. See here, one dia we have to finish, that is dia 40 for the length of 135 mm and radius at 3 places R5. This is the identical surface we have to finish, and one more center drilling is there. See, if I complete plane turning operation and then radius turning operation and then center drilling operation, then we can say this is the completion of machining, or I finished the workpiece. For finishing the workpiece from plane turning to center drilling, the program is there. This program is called as CNC program. So in this program, so we have three types of programs. That is main program. Sometimes we call this as only program, and part program and sub program is there. So let me explain you what is main program. See, this is the main program. I can say this also a main program. See, this program consists of three operations for finishing this workpiece. That means main program means it consists of number of operations instructions. So any program consists of n number of operations for finishing a workpiece is called as main program. Then what is part program? See, this is the part program. See, this is the main program. CNC program is the group of instructions prepared according to standard format for finishing a workpiece. So here all the operations instructions are there in main program. What about part program? This is also the group of instructions. This is also the group of instructions prepared according to standard format for machining a process done with tool selected. See here, this is also the program, but this program is there for a particular operation. See friends, here three operations are there. See, from here to here, I select a turning tool and I finish a plane turning operation. That means what? I want the dia 40 for 135 length. This is one operation. For doing this operation, I select one tool and then I finish the plane turning operation. So the program from here to here is called as part program. That means part program is also the group of instructions. That instructions are prepared according to the standard format, but for a particular operation with a particular tool selected. Say, by selecting one tool, I finish the plane turning operation. For plane turning, I prepare the group of instructions. This group is called as a part program. One program required for particular operation. In the same way, you can see here also, after plane turning, we have to do the center drilling. For center drilling, I select one more tool, that is a center drill bit, and I prepare the program for doing the center drilling operation. See, I select a particular tool and finish the program and finish the operation by writing the program. The program from here to here is also called as the part program, but that part program is particularly for doing the center drilling operation. In the same way, I select one more tool for radius turning operation. For radius turning operation, I finish by writing this group of instructions. This group is called as the part program, but this part program is for what? For a radius turning operation. I hope you understand this. What is part program? Part program is the program. Part program is also the CNC program, but that program is for a particular operation by selecting a particular tool. By selecting one tool, we will finish the operation by writing the group of instruction. That group is called as part program. Okay. Then let me now explain what is then subprogram. See, subprogram. What is subprograms here? See, this is also the normal CNC program, but it will be prepared when repeatable or identical machining operations are there. See friends, when we want to machine the identical surfaces here, like this. See, this is the workpiece. See here, identical surfaces are there. See here, the groove length and dia, groove length and dia. See, this and this. These three grooves are identical surfaces. When we want to finish these identical surfaces on the same workpiece, then we will go for the subprogram. Why we will go for subprogram? For avoiding the number of lines or number of blank CNC blocks. For avoiding number of blocks, we will go for the subprogram. See, subprogram will be prepared when we want to machine identical surfaces like this. See, same diameter same, this dia same, this is also the same, in the same way, length is also same, this length is also, this width is also same. When we want to machine these identical surfaces, we will prepare the subprogram. Then subprogram will be prepared in the separate pages. We will not write the subprogram in the main program. We will prepare this subprogram in separate pages in the same address like main program. So this also start with the O, and then I prepare this subprogram in the address 7000. See, subprogram always start with G01 and then U0. This is the incremental for X, and then W. So this is the W for incremental for Z axis and 30, and this must be followed by the feed, and then G02 for radius turning like this, for doing the operation like this. For finishing this workpiece here, for doing this operation, so G01, U0, W minus 30, feed 1 mm per revolution, and then we have to consider actual feed when we are actually machining. Only for example, I have written like this, and this G02, U0, and then W will be 5 and radius 5, and then it will always subprograms will be end up with this M99. Okay, so this is the subprogram we have to store at a, or we have to return in separate page. It will not be included in the main program. This subprogram always will call by this M98. M98, when the controller reads this block, okay, when it reads, when our CNC controller reads N75 block, so it will go to the, it will call the program, or it will read the instruction stored in the page number here. When 7000 reads, it will read the program from here, and this is the subprogram we are calling, and for repeating the number of times we will write here. See, P after P 0 0 0 0 means there is no repetition of this subprogram. When we want 1, or when there is no, only 0 is there, one time program will call from here. When we write 2, this program will repeat 2 times. That means at the beginning the controller will, or the machine will machine here only, it will finish the radius, and then it will go to its home position. But when we write the numbers here, if you write 2, after 1 it will come to here. If 3 is there, if you want to finish the radius 3 places, similar radius 3 places, we have to write the 3 like this. After this subprogram, see, the subprogram will always called by the main program. Subprogram has no separate entity. It has no individual entity, but always this subprogram will be called by the main program. See here, see, when the CNC program become main program, when we have the subprogram here. When we have the subprogram in the main program, then this program will become the main program. Like parents, for husband and wife, they will become father and mother. When they become father and mother, when they have kid. Okay, as soon as they have kid, they become father and mother. In the same way, when this CNC program become main program, when we have the subprogram. Okay, and then after completion of this, it will go to its home position, and this main program will end with the M30. Okay, so this is about what is CNC program, what is part program, and what is main program, and what is subprogram. Okay, thank you very much.